Hello, this is Trisha. Welcome to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started right away. Our first doodle today is a snake plant. I have a reference photo here on the right side of the screen. I'm not copying exactly how it is. I'm just kind of creating my own composition. I'm just using it so you can see what I'm drawing. The vase is also very different than the one in the photo. This plant is very easy to draw. It's probably one of the easiest one, I think, because the leaves are very straight up. There is not much secret in really how to draw these leaves. The only thing that I try to do the ones in the front first and then the ones in the back. So after the big portion of the drawing is done, then I'll start with the details, which I'm just going to try to represent those darker green lines in the middle just with ink. And later on, we're going to shade a lot of this plant. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about doodling. So doodle, it's a great way to improve your drawing skills. I feel like for me, it's no commitment. You're just doodling. You're not trying to create a masterpiece. You're just, um, using any extra time that you have and a simple piece of paper or sketchbook and a pen or a pencil and just draw something, anything that you have at home or anything that you like. If you sometimes struggle on finding ideas of what to draw, I find it a good idea is to create a list. Make a list of things that you like in your house. So plants, teacups, um, I don't know, anything, any decorations that you have in your house and you think they're nice and you just want to draw. Um, because sometimes it's difficult to even start drawing because sometimes we just don't know what to draw. We just, for some reason, there are so many options. The options are so unlimited that we just get stuck in front of a white piece of paper thinking about what should I draw. Oh, okay, well maybe I should draw the plants I have in my house, or I don't know, items that you may have sitting on your desk, your pencils and pens, and um, maybe a cup of coffee, anything like that. It's always useful to draw. If you feel intimidated on about drawing from real life, then just use a reference photo like this one. This reference photo is from Canva. I just try to use reference photos online that I can find it on my phone or that I can find it on Pixabay or Canva. Today, this reference photo is from Canva. Okay, so here you see me starting with the second plant. This one is called the prayer plant. And I'm not copying exactly from that reference photo. This reference photo is also from Canva. I'm just kind of leaving the reference there just so you can have an idea of what I'm drawing. and what it should look like, more or less. But it just kind of again making my own composition, how I feel like the leaves um, should look in this vase. The vase is also different. I Because this is a doodle or drawing tutorial for beginners. I'm trying to make the composition a little easier for you. So if you attempt to do this doodles, you don't feel so overwhelmed with the amount of leaves that this plant has. So that's why I'm kind of reducing considerably the number of leaves in the plant. And then, of course, after I doodle or I sketch, I pre-sketch with the pencil, then is when I come with the ink. You can use any pen you want, any kind of ink pen you like. The Figma Micron pen is my favorite, so I use that a lot. Uh, you probably have seen me in almost all my videos. That's what I usually use. Uh, I'm starting now to do some of the shading of this plant, and I will leave you now with some music, and I will come back soon. Okay, so let's get started on our next plant. This one is called the Swiss cheese plant. You can see in the reference photo, it has like some holes within the plant. It's not because it's damaged or sick or anything. It it is like that. That's how this plant is. Um, of course, again, the reference photo is not exactly what I'm going to draw. I'm just putting the reference there so you can see how it looks like, how the plant looks like. So this one can be a little bit tricky to draw. I find the easiest way is to draw the whole leaf and then make those holes or those lines that go kind of inside, like in a zigzag pattern inside the leaf. So you're gonna see me doing that. I'm pre-sketching right now with the pencil, and when you see me coming with the ink, then it makes more clear how it's going to look like the final drawing. So I also wanted to let you know that if you are a beginner, just starting on your journey to learn how to draw, or you are improving your drawing skills, don't be afraid to try something new. And the only way that we can develop our drawing skills or our art skills, it's by actually practicing something new. So, if there's anything that you would like to see me drawing or demonstrating in a video here, please leave it down in the comments. If there's any particular drawing that you've been trying to do and you find it difficult, or you'd like to see some ideas on how to get it done, I'll be more than happy to show you any type of drawings. It might be a challenge for me. It might be something that I have never done it, so it will be a challenge for me too. Um, I feel like we are in this together. We are learning and developing our skills as we go. So, it's always good to exchange ideas. And if there's anything that you want to see me drawing, maybe because you've been having difficulties to figure it out how to do it, just leave it down in the comments. And I promise I'm going to try very hard to try to draw something that you're trying to learn or would like to just have some new ideas. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about keeping a sketchbook or practicing your drawings as much as possible. Um, it's if it's realistic for you to try to draw every day, that's wonderful. Of course, a lot of us have a lot of commitments, family and work, or maybe school, or I don't know, appointments or whatever. And it sometimes makes it difficult to draw every day. And that's why I feel like these type of doodles are very quick, are very simple. Um, they're not demanding at all. You're just trying to draw something that you see or something that you like, and you're not trying to create a masterpiece. So doodles are very easy to do every day, as opposed to create a whole big illustration with lots of different elements. The benefit of doodling is that it's quick, and usually it's something small that doesn't really take uh, a long time to finish. And you can choose just about anything. You can doodle just about anything that you can imagine in the planet. You can turn into a doodle on your sketchbook on a piece of paper. So you see me now doing those are the actual the reason why this plant is called the Swiss cheese plant, because it has those holes like you would see in a Swiss cheese. This one, of course, the one that I'm doing has a lot more. I decided to put a lot more than the one in the reference photo, just because I think it looks much nicer that way. Some of those plants with this type of leaves really have a lot of holes on them, and that is the benefit of being an artist, is that you can create your own plant, your own world, or your own thing. So you don't have to follow the photograph or the reference. You can just create your own, and that's the fun of it. So this video is coming to an end. I would like to say again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, so I can grow this channel. It's very small right now, trying to grow, have more um, people joining and enjoying this process of um, drawing and learn how to draw and develop their skills. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. All finished. Three very easy indoor plants. I hope you get to try these. See you next time. Bye bye.